Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. So for this one, I am going to use the stencil and ink. They smeared a little bit, but that's okay. I didn't worry about it. So my niece wanted to take some winter photos, so she picked out this outfit, and my sister went out and took some pictures. A lot of pictures of her. I was like, good night. And this one is Winter Fun. And my background, of course, is Basil cardstock. And the photo mat is Kid Club's Keeping Cozy, My Happy Place. And I must have kept this very, very simple, for I did not write very much at all. And it's kind of a pain because my sorry, I got a deal. Because it's hard for me to turn around and use it behind me, so I have to put it on my desk to cut. It's easier for me to do it that way. I know I need to fix it. I got a hole in the screen. I need to fix it. So I'm just adding a few more. I was like, nope, I need more. So some of these inks dried out, so I just added water to make them work again because they were hard. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do the triangles at the top. So Winter Fun, that's my title. And that is a chipboard sticker, which is Kid Club's Keeping Cozy. Here is the die cuts for Keeping Cozy. Just trying to figure out which embellishments to use in my art. And of course, Theo. He's been a little stinker lately. Oh. So I'm just peeling some of the layers off of the chipboard stickers because it's just, I want to layer so it's too bulky. So I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing stuff down. And so the die cuts are Kid Club's Keeping Cozy. I don't know if I said that. And then to end it, to complete it, I use those phrase stickers that are from Dear Lizzie. They were from a past kid, I don't even know. Sorry, I need to clear my throat. Alright. I think that's all I pretty much do, besides I don't think I did any ink splatters on this one. I just did those phrase stickers. I used the snowflakes to hold them. I try to figure out on top or behind. So I'm like, nope, on top. And then that is going to complete it. Oh, no, I am going to do some ink splatters. Never mind. So I'm just trying to cover my pictures so they don't receive any ink splatters. And I was like, no. I was kind of upset that the stuff went on the snowman, but I was like, it's all good. Anyway, so that's going to complete my layout. Thank you for watching. Bye.